What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here. In this video, I want to do a quick email marketing for beginners training, how to start email marketing, so you can finally make money online. And I want to shoot this quick video because I made a huge mistake, of not even building an email list and just trying to make money online without building that email list. And what happens is, if you're not building an email list, then you really don't have an online business. You really don't have a business, because having an email list is really the only asset that you have online. Okay. Understand this and really let this sink in when I tell you this. If you're promoting your business opportunity on Facebook or even YouTube, just like I'm doing in this video, and you're not building an email list, if Facebook shuts you down, if YouTube shuts me down or you down, then you no longer have a business, okay? And that goes for any social media platform or whatever the case may be. So you need to be building an email list. And I want to show this, in this video, just do an email marketing for beginners, a quick training, and drop a few tips in your lap that's going to help you. But I also want to invite you to a 5-day challenge, which has already been completed, but you can get access to right now for $1. Okay. And go through this training. It's going to teach you, okay, how to actually build an email list of quality people and not so much as quantity. Because what happens is a lot of people get caught up with, thinking that you need a bunch, thousands and thousands and thousands of people on your email list. That's not the case. Your email list need to be built of individuals, of people who are your ideal audience, who are your target customers, people who want to hear from you, people who want what you have that's going to solve their problem. If you're trying to get everybody on your list, what you're going to find yourself doing is going into your autoresponder each and every, however often you do it, rather, cleaning that list. I want to build a list of quality people instead of a huge list that deals in quantity. Okay. I want quality. I want people who want what I have, people who desire what I have that's going to help them solve their problem. So don't get so caught up in building a huge email list. Get caught up in building a quality email list of people who want to hear from you. And now, one thing I want you to understand, that even when you are sending out email broadcasts or emailing your list, you're only speaking to one person. Okay. You're speaking to one person. You're not speaking to many, although you are, but you're only speaking to one. And you want to speak to those people just like you would talk to a friend, just like you would have a conversation with a friend and sharing something with them. If I went and I saw a movie that I liked, okay, I would share that with a friend who has the same interest that I have. Okay. That's the big difference. Okay. You can't sell everything to everybody. Everybody does not want what you have. What I'm trying to do in my business, and I suggest that you do the same, is polarization. People who don't want to be around me, who don't want what I have to offer, I'm pushing them away. People who want what I have that can help them solve their problem and get the results that they want, I'm pulling them to me. Okay. So I'm weeding out those who don't want what I have. Okay, but I'm bringing in those who do want what I have. And this can be done through Facebook, YouTube, or whatever platform that you're using. It does not matter. You want to get quality people, okay, on your list. And the best tip that I can give you, and that I have already given you, is don't worry about the quantity of people. Don't worry about building a huge email list. Concern yourself about building a quality email list. People who want what you have, who are going to stay subscribed, who are going to open up your email and click the link in your email. Okay. That's how I see it. You can build an email list by solo ads, Google ads, Bing ads, or however you want to. paid methods. Okay, but if those people are not quality, but you're building quantity, you're going to find yourself doing a lot of list, cleaning and things. And that's something that I'm, in this day and time, I'm trying to avoid. So with that being said, there are two tools that you need in order to build an email list. One is you're going to need a funnel builder. Now, GetResponse allows you to do that, and also so does Aweber in Active Campaigns. You can build an actual sales funnel inside of those platforms or those email marketing systems. Okay, that's good. I like to use the Home Business Academy, and I also like to use, the MLSP builder, simply because it's simple and it's something that I can do. So you're going to need a funnel builder, and you're going to need an email marketing platform such as GetResponse. There will be a link to that in the description below, and a link to HBA and MLSP, because MLSP is making it easier and easier for beginners who are getting into email marketing just like yourself to start building your list. They are focused on that, and I want you to be focused on it. If you're coming into this business right now, today, yesterday, your main focus should be building your email list, nothing else. Because here's the thing, and I want you to really grasp this and get a good understanding of what it is that I'm saying. Okay, hold on one second. I had to cough for a minute, and I'm just going to leave the video just like it is. This is what I want you to understand. Your goal, your main focus should be leads and sales. Leads and sales. That's it. Period. And if you can build your email list of quality people, of your ideal audience who want what you have, that's going to solve their problem or get them the results that they want, then you have an email list, of active buyers. You can build an email list of hyper buyers, Excuse me. That's not to say that everyone's going to open up your emails. That's not to say that everyone's going to click on your link. That's not to say that everyone's going to buy what you have to offer them. But here's the thing. You stand a better chance of having quality people on your list than you would with a whole bunch of people who are not even opening your emails. So what I want to do in this video is I want to share something with you. And take this to heart, I'm not going to show a PDF or a PowerPoint presentation, but I just want you to take notes on what I'm saying right now. What I would do and what I'm starting to do, because I have GetResponse and I have, several lists in that autoresponder. But it's not simple that if I showed this to you, what I'm doing, it would be complicated. And when complication comes into the process, it stops people from moving forward. What I want to do is make this simple for you. And this is a training that I am going through. But not only this training that I'm about to share with you, I'm going through another training as well about email marketing. And that's why I'm sharing this video with you, this information with you. Build one list. Build one list. Don't focus on building 5 or 6 lists. You want to do just one list. And have one email. One email in the beginning. As an email marketing beginner, have just one email. But that email is not specific to anything. That email is going to inform them of who you are. That email is going to tell them, how they got there. They came through one of your forums. They came off of Facebook. They came through a YouTube video. You don't know how they got there, but now they are on your list. And then you're going to do a little bit more explaining of what it is that they're going to receive. One email. Everything else you do after that is going to be an email broadcast. email broadcast, which you can do daily. You can do twice a day. Personally, I don't like to do it per 2 or 3 emails a day. I like to do one because I don't like to receive 1,000 emails per day. That's just me. That's my personality. I don't know how you like to do it. Maybe you get a kick out of getting all of those emails. I don't. But one email that when they opt into your page through your funnel builder, they get that one email explaining who you are, what they're going to get, okay, how they got there, okay. So you're keeping it generic and you're not specifically promoting whatever product it is. Here's the thing. Once you get them on your list, you can promote whatever you want to promote to them. It doesn't matter. As long as you, through your email marketing, are building the know, like, and trust with you. And one thing that I'm starting to do, I used to like doing solo ads, but what I'm doing now is I'm actually reaching out to people, having conversations through Facebook, to find out what their pains are, what their problems. Oh, I have a training for that. Let me get your email so I can add you to my newsletter and I can send you tips on that. You simply, instead of trying to sell them a product, get them on your email list and then you can sell them whatever. That way you're going to win affiliate contests. You're going to rank up in your company. Okay. That's how you do it. And it's real simple. And look, if you already have an email list, okay, and you haven't emailed them in a while, start emailing them. But one thing you do not want to do not apologize for not emailing. Just start bringing that list back to life. Okay. That's what you want to do. You don't have to email them every day. You can email them. Now, this is what you can do. Let me kind of break it down. You can email them once a day. You can email them once a week, or you can email them every other day. Okay. I do not email my list every day. Okay. Simply because every day I don't have anything to say. Every day I don't have anything to promote to them. I can. And then every email that I send out, I do not put a link in there. Sometimes I send out emails, about what I did today, like yesterday or whatever, Sunday. I talk about what I preached about. I talk about, what's going on in my family. I don't get deep into personal, details, but sometimes it's just like, hey, just have a conversation with them. Reach out to see how they're doing and ask them to reply back to you. Okay. So those are some tips that I can give you on how you can, get started as a beginner. And what I want to do in this video and for the rest of this time is actually show you a product that's only going to cost you $1 to get started right now. Okay. It's a 5-day Facebook challenge to build your list and get paid. Okay. Now understand this challenge has already been done, but it's still available to you and you can get access to it today right now for $1. You're going to get a 5-day experience and a simple formula to grow your first email list and begin to build the #1 long-term asset that can pay you for life. Shockingly simple steps to grow your first email list that will give you more leverage, more sales, and more signups in less time than you ever imagined before. Okay, this is an actual page. Like I said, it's only $1. You can pause this video right here. Read this information right here. Okay, see what you're going to get. Click the green button when you get ready to get started. Okay, and read the rest of this sales page. Okay, the #1 problem, and this doesn't just apply to network marketers. This apply to affiliate marketers as well, because as an affiliate marketer, it depends upon what it is that you're actually promoting. Okay, you may have to get on the phone with someone, you may have to text someone, you may have to get on a Zoom meeting with someone. So what I'm showing you here, these techniques, these strategies work for you as well as an affiliate marketer. Okay, so this is what you're going to get. Okay, so just come down through here and read that. Now, once you click on the green button and you want the results now, And this is not the actual page that you're going to see. Okay, so let me just be clear about that. You're actually going to come to, let me get here. You're actually going to come to this page right here. Okay, you're going to see this page. This is what you're going to see when you click the link in the description below. Once you click this button right here, okay, you're going to come to this page here. You're going to get access to the Simple List Leverage Challenge below. You're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, okay? And this is not, okay, junk training. You're going to set up your list. You're going to create your first email. You're going to get hot market lists, turbocharge your list, and email copy that works, okay? All of this is in here for you. And if you have any questions, you can get in contact with me here at this number, or just reply back to the video below. What I highly suggest is that you go through this training, take notes, but not only just take notes, but apply what you're learning through the process, okay? Because right now is the time for you to be building an email list. And if you're not doing that, then you're not in business, okay? Because as I said before, clickbait, not clickbait, Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing, all of these platforms can shut you down at any moment in time for any reason. And they don't care what it is that you have done. So if you're looking for a way to start building your email list, and you're just now getting to email marketing for beginners, okay, and you want to start doing email marketing so you can finally start making some money online, click the link in the description below. Go through this challenge right here for only $1 and get started, get signed up so we can get you going in the right direction. This is a training that I have been through. I'm actually going through another high level email marketing training that's dealing with copywriting, and you can get access to that as well when you come into the community. So go ahead, click the link in the description below. It's richardhairston.com's Simple List Leverage. Click that list below. Go ahead and get signed up. Get on my email list so you can start getting valuable information. Okay, give me a thumbs up on this video. Like this video, okay, as well. Comment below if you have any questions. Feel free to reach out to me. My contact information will be below. I hope you got value from this video. My name is Richard Hairston. Go ahead and click the link below. You have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.